Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Myself Ashfaq, and in today's video we will discuss about the RAG. So this is the simple definition for the RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. So what is the need of RAG? When we ask any question to the LLM, we get the answer because the LLM has been trained on the large amount of data. So for example, if we ask the question to the RAG that suppose there is a company XYZ Limited and we ask the question, what is the HR policy in the XYZ Limited? So you will not get the answer. You will get some generalized answer or some wrong answer, which is called the hallucination. So here is the need comes for the RAG. You provide the private knowledge base access to the LLM. LLM retrieves the data from it and it summarizes the answer for you as per your query. What happens in the RAG chain? First of all, we load the document. Document can be text or word. It can also be Excel or CSV, or it can also be PDF. It can also be video or web content. So once we have loaded the document, so document splitting happens, which is called the embedding. So we can use the Hugging Face embedding, which is open source, or we can also use the OpenAI embedding, which is paid one, or we can use any other available embedding. So once this uh, uh, embedding happens, the document splitting happens, these documents get converted into the chunks. For example, chunk 1, chunk 2, and chunk 3. And then these chunks get stored into the vector DB. Vector DB can be Chroma DB, FIS, or any other vector DB available in the market. So these chunks get saved into the vector DB, and if you ask any query to the LLM related to the private knowledge base, so what happens, our uh, RAG chain get executed and LLM performs the query to the vector DB. And here actually semantic search happens. And the related information get retrieved, and this retrieved data is provided as the context to the LLM. And as per this retrieved context, LLM provides you the output, summarized output. So uh, so the actually in RAG you are giving the access to your enterprise data or your private database or private knowledge base, and LLM retrieving the content and summarizing the output as per your query. So so RAG means retrieving the data from the vector DB. Augment is we augment the retrieved data, we enhance the metadata, which is called the augmentation, and as per the context received from the retrieved data, the LLM generates the answer, which is called the generation. So hope you got some idea about the RAG and how this RAG chain operates. I will make some few more videos on the RAG chain, hands-on videos on the RAG chain. Hope you find this video helpful. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.